Good evening, student. Student, is a question number 19 from R.D. Sharma, page number 17.73 from new volume. R.D. Sharma. Yes, question is prove that a conical tent of given capacity will require the least amount of canvas when the height is √2 times the radius of the base. So there is a conical tent of given capacity, means volume is constant. Will require the least amount of canvas. It means curved surface area. Curved surface area is least when the height is √2 times of the radius of base. So we have to prove h equal to √2 r. When curved surface area, let it is s is minimum. When s is minimum, then h equal to √2 r. See the solution? Here, volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h, which is constant. The curved surface area, let it is s equal to pi r l. Since l equal to root r square plus h square, therefore s equal to pi r into root r square plus h square. We will make the square. So s square is pi square r square and r square plus h square. Let it is equation 2 and this one is 1. From 1, value of h is 3b upon pi r square. Now we will put the value of h here. So it is, let s square is z. So z equal to pi square r power 4 plus r square into, it is 9v square upon pi square r power 4. Then z equal to pi square r power 4 plus this pi square cancel out, then r square is cancelled, so it is 9b square upon r square, which is the function of r. Now here z is a function of r, so we will differentiate z with respect to r. So dz over dr, it is pi square into 4r cube plus 9v square and it is minus 2 upon r cube. Derivative of 1 upon r square, which is minus 2 upon r cube. D over dr of 1 upon r square. It is r की power minus 2, so it is minus 2, r power minus 3. It is minus 2 upon r cube. Now, first order derivative for maxima and minima is 0. So, dv over dr equal to dz over dr is 0. We will put dz over dr equal to 0 for maxima and minima. This is 0. This give you, it is 4 pi square r cube minus 18b square upon r cube equal to 0. Since this term is 0, so it is 4 pi square r cube equal to 18 upon r cube into b is 1 upon 3 pi r square h whole square. 4 pi square r cube 18 upon r cube into 1 upon 9 pi square r power 4 into h square. Now let's cancel the term. Pi square cancel. 9 2 ja 18, 2 2 ja 4. Then this is cancel out. 2r cube equal to r into h square. 1 r is cancelled, so it is 2. From this we will get h square equal to 2r square. Hence h equal to r root 2. Height of the conical tent is root 2 times of the radius of base. Now we will find d2z over dr square. Means we will differentiate d over dr of 4 pi square r cube minus 18b square upon r cube. It is 4 pi square constant. Derivative of r cube is 3r square plus it is 3 upon r power 4 into 18 into b square. Derivative of 1 upon r cube is minus, so minus minus plus 3 upon r power 4. Since this whole term is positive, so z is minimum. Z minimum means S is minimum. It means curved surface area of the conical tent is minimum when h equal to 2r. S is minimum and h equal to r root 2. This is the proof. Now next is example number 11. There are good examples on the topic maxima and minima. Question is, so that of all the rectangles inscribed in a given circle, the square has the maximum area. So there is a circle. All the rectangles inscribed in a given circle. We have to prove that when this rectangle is a square, then it has maximum area. It is A, B, C, D. It is x-axis, that it is y-axis, that is the origin. Coordinate 0, 0. Radius of the circle is given, it is r. Let the coordinate of this point C is x, y. So it is x, that is y. Let it is L. So here OL equal to x and CL equal to y. Length of the rectangle is 2x and breadth is 2y. We have to prove that the area of this rectangle will be maximum when it is a square. So area is L into B, or it is 4xy. It is a function of x and y. Here x and y both are the variables. Since equation of circle, it is x square plus y square equal to r square when center is origin and radius r. And another logic, by Pythagoras theorem, we can find r square equal to x square plus y square. So from this, y equal to root of r square minus x square. Then area A is 4x into root r square minus x square, which is the function of x. Again there is a root, we will make the square. So after squaring, we will get it is 16x square into r square minus x square. This is the again function of x. Still let it is z. Let this term is z. Now we will differentiate z with respect to x. So dz over dx is equal to 60. We can write z as 16 into r square x square minus x power 4. So here 16 as it is r square constant. Derivative of x square is 2x minus 4x cube. Since first order derivative is 0 for maxima and minima. This is the condition for maxima and minima. From this, we will get 2r square x equal to 4x cube. And this 2 is cancelled. 2 to the 4. 1 x is cancelled. So r square equal to 2x square. And value of x is r upon root 2. Now we will find the value of y. Putting x is here. So y equal to root of r square minus r square upon 2. Or it is r square upon 2. From this, we will get it is r upon root 2. Since x equal to y, therefore L equal to B. When length equal to breadth, then rectangle becomes the square. Hence, rectangle becomes square. One part is proved here. Now we will find second order derivative d2z over dx square. Then d2z over dx square equal to 16 constant r square as it is into 2 into derivative of x is 1 minus 4 into 3x square. Here 2 comma, so it is 32 r square minus 6 into x square equal to r square upon 2. X square is r square upon 2. It is 2 3 is 6. 32 minus 2r square. It is negative. Since second order derivative is negative, therefore z is maximum. When z is maximum, then A is also maximum. So area of the rectangle is maximum when it is a square.